Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mailchimp ads audiences with GA4 events, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Mailchimp ads audiences with GA4 events, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section found at the bottom left corner of the interface. In the property column, look for data streams and select the stream you want to work with. Scroll down to the enhanced measurement section. Ensure that enhanced measurement is enabled. This allows automatic tracking of specific events, including page views and scroll tracking. Next, log into your Mailchimp account. Go to the Audience tab located in the main menu. Choose All Contacts from the drop-down options. Click on the Manage Audience button and select Settings. Scroll down to the Webhooks section and click on Create a Webhook. In the URL field, input the webhook URL that sends events to GA4. Select the events that you want to track. It's recommended to choose campaigns and ads to monitor your advertising performance. Next, confirm the settings and click Save. Return to Google Analytics and select Events from the left-hand menu. Make sure the events you want to track are appearing under your selected data stream. To create an audience, go to the Admin section again in Google Analytics. Under the Property column, select Audiences. Click on the New Audience button to start creating a new audience. You can now use conditions based on the events you've defined earlier. Select the condition type and set the filters that align with your marketing strategy. Once done, give your audience a recognizable name. After confirming everything, click on Save. Now, head back to Mailchimp to link this audience for ads targeting. In your Mailchimp dashboard, navigate to the Ads section. Click on Create New Ad, then follow the prompts to set up your ad. When selecting an audience, find the GA4 audience you just created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.